Well, adults and children are experiencing more cyberbullying than ever before. So what is it and what can you do to protect yourself? Fox News' Vic Faust gets some answers from Brown Crouppen attorney Andrea McNairy in this week's Legal Lens.
Cyberbullying, cyberstalking, I'm assuming they're the same thing, but let's break this down. What exactly is it?
Cyberstalking is actually a form of cyberbullying. And cyberbullying is part of a growing amount of crime that includes everything from slander, defamation, false accusations, and trolling using internet-related means.
Clearly, it sounds like it's illegal.
Well, most states have been slow to kind of catch up with the technology. In Missouri, we currently have an anti-stalking statute, which basically defines stalking as a pattern of conduct composed of two or more direct acts over a period of time, which have no legitimate purpose, including unwanted communication or unwanted contact. And then we have anti-harassment statutes that are basically communications that cause somebody to feel threatened for their life. But recently, and effective August 28th, there's been changes to stalking related statutes as far as the issuance of protective orders.
Could it expand in another area as well?
It could definitely expand. So what the new act does is it widens the legal definition of stalking to include acts that are either direct or indirect, or even through a third party. With cyber stalking, a lot of times is what you'll see is just monitoring or sending of online profiles or pictures to third parties. So this new act encompasses this kind of new form of stalking.
What should somebody do if they feel like they've been the victim of cyber stalking or cyberbullying?
If you feel that you've been a victim of cyberbullying or cyberstalking or harassment or stalking, you can file an order of protection. And those forms are online in Missouri on the Missouri court's website. And this is one of those instances where court clerks can actually help you and assist you fill out the proper paperwork.
For the Brown Crouppen Legal Lens, I'm Vic Faust.